So let's talk about ki how much money do people need at 35 to live a luxurious life from that point on.
See, I think if you think of it, I think at any point, I'm very blessed to be in India because India still has real interest rates. अगर आप सोचते हो तो in most cases जो FD या bond में interest rate मिलता है ना वो inflation से नीचे होता है. यहाँ पे ऊपर है. तो even in a bond you're actually making value of like real value, right? I would देखो आज के दिन में I think if you have 1 or 2 crores in a fixed deposit, right? You are good to go because a 2 crore fixed deposit means you'll make somewhere around 12 lakhs. If you're a single individual person who's making 1 lakh a month in interest, you can't spend that. Again, this is under the assumption that you have a house paid for. Otherwise, लाख रुपया तो rent हो जाएगा depending on where you stay. अगर खाली आपको अपने luxurious lifestyle पे रहना है तो लाख रुपया महीना. And if you think of it, if you want to make it even more aggressive, then you invest everything that you save of that 1 lakh into funds, like into the index funds. You're sorted. And if you're like a full house, I think irrespective of age, if you're a full house, you need a 10 crore FD to retire.
10 crore FD.
If you think of a 10 crore FD, at 10 crores FD, you're making somewhere around 60-70 lakhs a year. Bare minimum, right? Which is 5 lakh rupees a month. Again, you can't spend that.
Yeah.
Unless you want to. Like, I'm also assuming if you're looking at a retirement bare minimum, you will cut down your costs.
Sure. हाँ मतलब you will be smart about it, yeah. But यहाँ पे एक SWP का भी concept है, right? कि आपके पास 10 crores हैं to retire. Would you put that in an FD or would you say कि ETF में डालते हैं और उसमें एक SWP setup कर देते हैं?
आप दोनों कर सकते हो, लेकिन ethically I will never recommend anyone having 100% in equities unless they control the thing, because liquidity you require. So probably a 90-10 or 80-20 or like 70-30 or whatever of that sort has to be there. But again, SWP I'm not a big fan of.
Okay, why? Very surprising you saying.
No, I think that withdrawal should be in your control. As soon as you do an SWP na, you would want to spend all of it comes out.
Okay.
That makes sense. Like say you have a 10 crore parked, right? And you do like a 5 lakh SWP. You will spend that 5 lakh rupees every month.
क्योंकि आपने विड्रॉ कर लिया.
क्योंकि आपके मोटिवेशन नहीं ना वापस डालने का. बट अगर आप उल्टा करते हो, आप सोचो कि आपके 10 करोड़ इंडेक्स फंड्स में ही हैं, आपको जितना चाहिए उतना निकालो ना. और लेकिन the best way out is you use credit cards. You use credit cards to make all your expenses. That way you know that all of your expenses are being logged, right? Credit cards में you can't transfer money to a friend, or like you can't transfer money to the random guy who comes knocking or anything. And if you think of it today, every credit card has its own way of you can budget for it. Like Vistara has its own credit card, Flipkart has its own credit card. So you could have credit cards designated to what spends you want to do, limiting your costs, bucketing for it. And end of the month, sell your stock, pay the credit card bills, you sorted. Your banks are need. Your CA will thank me for that.
कि उन्होंने हर चीज के लिए अलग कार्ड बना दिया.
और कोई झमेला भी नहीं है. मतलब अगर think of it, optimal finance तो यही है ना कि अगर आप सब फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट को अपने फेवर में यूज कर रहे हो. Where people go wrong is they invest all their life savings in FDs, which don't grow as much as their kharcha grows, right? They spend on credit card because they want to do that when they don't have money. And होता क्या ना कि by the time you reach 35, 40, 50, जब आपकी उम्र आती है to take a step back, you realize you've made a mess of yourself. Your entire finances are a mess. The standard of living that you were paying for because of a high paycheck, you can no longer sustain because you don't have savings. All of your savings have gone away in inflation in the FD. You have wrong insurance products that you bought. Your credit card bills are mounting. It's the absolute end. And if you just flip it, right? If you flip all of these things to make it pro you use your cards to make sure your expenses are accounted for. You can set your own limits. If you want to make sure कि आप एक महीने 50,000 से ऊपर खर्चा नहीं करते तो उसमें एक लिमिट लगा दो 50,000 का. उससे ऊपर खर्चा होगा ही नहीं. You can put all your investments in equities or like equities and gold, or like please contact your financial advisor before all of that. But like once you've done that and you're connected these things, you're sorted, you're good to go. You will beat inflation. Your expenses are always in your control. And you get a 30-day like a credit period, right? Because you're paying for a credit card after the bill comes just 30 days later.
Yeah.